Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, we'll be going over the profile section. So to get to the profile section, hover above your profile picture and click on profile. Once you get to your profile, you have a few things. First of all, up top, you'll be able to copy your address or ENS address if you have one connected and copy that to clipboard. After that, underneath, we have NFTs, unique collection, NFT transactions, etc. On the right, we have a series of different stats about our volume, and under that, we have our NFTs. So this is our NFT section with all our items, where we can perform a series of different actions. Clicking on the NFT, we'll be able to open the NFT page, where we can sell the item, transfer the item, go to the collection, see if there are any listings, cancel any listing if we do have active listings, see the best offer and accept any offers. Under that, we have item activity. Then we have on the left details about the project, about the collection, and properties of that item. So going back to the profile, another thing we can do on the item is click these three dots. And as we can see, we can either set as PFP, and we'll see that our profile picture up top has changed, or we can transfer the item. Another thing we see when we hover is the smart list feature. So smart listing lists your NFT without you calculating the value at a preset value you've defined in your settings. So before using this feature, you want to go and define the value in your settings. To do that, we click up top here in smart list settings. So as we can see, the things we can do are break even, and that's just going to be standard break even. So basically, if we press the smart listing with a break even setting, it's going to list our NFT at break even, considering fees, considering the amount spent, considering gas fees, and considering marketplace and collection royalty fees. So it's true break even. After that, we can choose how long we want the listing to be active and what marketplace the listing should be on. And then we can save. So next time we use smart listing, we know that it's going to be break even, listed on OpenSea, and with 1 month expiration date. Before opening your MetaMask, it will give you a prompt telling you what price you're about to list your NFT, just to make sure you don't make any mistakes. The other option is profit. So for example, we want to list our item in profit. Here we can choose USD profit, ETH profit, or percentage profit. So say we want to make a 50% profit, we just put 50 and percent. And then we choose how much we want the listing to be active for and marketplace and save. Now I know if I smart list, it's going to be smart listing in a profit of 50%. Other than that, on the profile section, we can filter for collection and we can search. You can bulk list or transfer with a button, or you can go to the calculators, pressing on calcs. You can also order your items by newest or oldest. You can also view your profile's activity, clicking on activity. And on the left, we're able to filter for a bunch of different things. So we have sales, listings, mints, send, burn, receive, buy, date. So we can filter by date as well if you want to find a specific transaction. We can filter from addresses, from to, price, collection, marketplace, and token ID. So there's a bunch of filters we can use to be able to track all of those transactions. So thank you for watching this tutorial. See you in the next one.